Think. Think about our world facing threats of global warming. The challenges of a disturbed ecological balance. Increasing emissions of hazardous gases like CO2 and nitrous oxide. Growing congestion in our cities. Think, and then think again about our Earth, about our nation, and about our cities. Think about a possibility of maximizing the mobility of billions of citizens in our growing cities while minimizing its impact on our planet.
World over, people are expressing concerns about the global warming and the environmental impact of the industrialization. Tata Hispano, as a member of the Tata Group, is equally concerned about the impact of the automobile-related aspects on the environment.
Think about alternative means of public transportation which is low on fuel consumption, low on pollution, and low on noise. Is this a possibility? The answer lies with the experts, Tata Motors. Tata Motors, a company that has always worked towards improving the quality of life in every decade. Today, Tata Hispano, with the technology of Tata Motors, offers a sustainable transport system which will not only lessen vehicular emissions, but also ensure greater fuel efficiency.
Like all the leaders in the field, now Tata Hispano has also come out with a more advanced diesel-electric hybrid vehicle. This vehicle has been designed with the most advanced systems available for hybrid as well and chassis technology to ensure good uptime, the ease of maintenance, the good ride and handling, and the excellent passenger comfort. The design also keeps in the future requirements in mind for integrating the vehicle chassis with pure electric mode or with CNG conventional engines or with the CNG microturbine or at a later stage with the hydrogen fuel cell.
The vehicle which we are showcasing today is a CNG hybrid which is fuel efficient as well as environment friendly. This doubles up the advantage of the vehicle in terms of operating economics. We are making that engine run under its most optimum operating conditions and delinking it from the vehicle power requirements.
In addition of all that, I like to highlight two of the major points that we have in our hybrid system. First one is the use of a diesel engine that is working in a constant RPMs regime that gives us a good emission of gases to the atmosphere. And the second point is to have a regenerative braking system that give us the opportunity to use the energy of the braking operation to have some electricity on the batteries that we can use after in the acceleration operation of the vehicle.
We have designed the control system of the vehicle and its hybrid system so that we are flexible to offer, for example, optimized fuel economy based on the customer area of operation.
The technology of Tata Motors hybrid buses work in two separate configurations, parallel and series. This is how a series configuration operates. As you can see, the engine here is a small diesel or CNG engine, which functions only to charge the battery through a generator. When the vehicle is cruising or accelerating, the electric motor provides the traction power, which in turn is drawn from the battery. The engine runs at a constant speed and at an optimum load to just maintain the battery from running low on charge. When the vehicle is braking, the motor runs as a generator, absorbing kinetic energy from the wheels and stores it in the battery. The energy is later reused for accelerating the vehicle. The energy, which will normally be dissipated as heat in brakes, is now stored and reused for traction, and this further reduces the fuel consumption. Not only that, the vehicle can run in a fully fledged electric vehicle mode. If the battery has enough charge in it, it is possible to shut off the engine and run the vehicle as a pure electric vehicle for a short distance, especially in areas sensitive to noise pollution. Keeping tomorrow in mind, the traction system technology required for fuel cell buses and electric buses is already incorporated in diesel series hybrid buses by Tata Motors. Also, other than diesel, the hybrid system is compatible to CNG engines, microturbines, and also hydrogen engines, which will then provide a smooth transition to zero-emission vehicles in the future. So here is presenting the bus of the future, a technology designed and developed by Tata Motors in sync with the changing world, the series hybrid bus from Tata Hispano. Now, step into a new world, new countries, and new cities. Tata Hispano has the clear vision of improving quality of life.